Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. This video is all about calculating percentage. What is a percentage? It is a number or ratio which can be represented as a fraction of 100. Percent originates from a Latin word percentum, which means per hundred. We use the symbol to denote percentage. We're ready to solve problems? Let's have the first question here. What is 20% of 50? It is important that we need to identify our given to know what is our percentage, base, and rate. For this question, we're looking for the percentage, and our R here or rate is with percent sign, and the whole is our base. We'll be using this formula in finding the percentage. Percentage over base is equal to rate over 100, where 100 is a constant number. All we need to do is to substitute. That's n over 50 is equal to 20 over 100. How to find n? We'll just do cross multiplication. That's going to be 50 times 20 divided by 100. 50 times 20 is 1000 divided by 100. We can cancel the 4 zeros there. What's left is 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. 20% of 50 is equal to 10. And that is our final answer. Let's move to the second question. 60% of 300 is what number? We need to identify our given, base, rate, and percentage. For this case, 60% is our R or rate. 300 is our base, and we're looking for the percentage. We will be using the same formula. Percentage over base is equal to rate over 100. Let's just substitute this one. Let's have n over 300 is equal to 60 over 100. How to find n? Just do cross multiplication. That's going to be 300 times 60 divided by 100. Let's multiply. 3 times 6 is 18. Just add 3 zeros divided by 100. We can cancel the 4 zeros there. What's left is 180 divided by 1. It's going to be 180. 60% of 300 is 180. And that's our final answer. Let's have the next one. 5% of 500 is blank. Let us identify our base, rate, and percentage. The 5% here is our R or the rate, and then the 500 is our base, and we're looking for the percentage. Still the same, we'll be using the same formula. Percentage over base is equal to rate over 100. Let's substitute. We're looking for n over 500 is equal to 5 over 100. How to find n again is to do cross multiplication, and that's going to be 500 times 5 divided by 100. 5 times 5 is equal to 25, then affix 2 zeros, and then divide it by 100. Cancel the 4 zeros. What's left is 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25. 5% of 500 is 25, and that's our final answer. Now let's have problem solving that involves percentage. Let's have the question here. In a mall, you can avail 30% of the price of any item you buy. How much will you pay for a pair of shoes that cost 1,450 pesos availing the promo? Let us take note that we are looking for the amount that you have to pay for the shoes after availing the 30% off. Okay? Let's take note of that. We have to make sure to identify the rate, base, and percentage in this problem. It is easy for us to identify the rate because it is with percent sign. And our base here is 1,450 because that is the original price. And that is referring to the base. We are looking for the percentage in here, and that is the amount that you have to pay after availing the promo, which is 30%. It means this will be the 70% of the 1,450. Why am I using this formula? It is because it's easier for us to remember. We only need to remind ourselves with one formula, and that is percentage. over base is equal to rate over 100. Then we will just substitute. Our n here is the percentage or the amount that we have to pay. Our base is 1,450, or that's the original price, and the rate here is 30%. Next, n is equal to, just do cross multiplication. That's going to be 1,450 pesos times 30. Let's find out how much will that be. In multiplying these numbers, I did not include the zeros there because we can use the shortcut way. We can just affix the 2 zeros after we multiply the significant numbers. And we have 43,500, then divided by 100. We can cancel the 4 zeros, and what is left there is 435. Remember, this is not yet our final answer because this is just what we saved from availing the promo, which is 30% off the price. So the question now is, how much will we pay? It means this 435 is already our savings. We can just subtract this one from the original price, which is the 1,450 pesos. We're ready to subtract that one, and we will have, okay, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, then bring down 1. This is the amount that we have to pay at the cashier after availing the 30% off. That's 1,015 pesos. And you will surely save a big amount of money when you are availing the promo. Let's have the next question. Today, you can purchase a round-trip plane ticket lesser than last year. Now, it is 55% less the price. How much savings will you save if the price is 15,500 pesos? For this case, we are looking for the amount that we will save, and that is 55% of the price. Now we're going to look for the rate based in percentage. Our rate is with percent sign, and that is 55%. Our base is 15,500 pesos because that is the original price, and we're looking for the percentage, which is our savings, and that is 55% of 15,500. We will still use the same formula. That's percentage over base is equal to rate over 100. And since we're looking for percentage, we have to substitute. That's n over 15,500 is equal to 55 over 100. How to find n? We'll do cross multiplication. That's 15,500 times 55 divided by 100. Just multiply 15,500 and 55, then divided by 100. We're ready to multiply 15,500 times 55. We may not include the 0 first, and we'll just affix the 2 zeros later when we are done multiplying, because that's one of the easiest way we can do to make things faster. What we have here is 8,525, then we can just affix the 2 zeros. That will be 852,500 divided by 100. Cancel the 4 zeros. What's left is 8,525. And this is our savings after availing the 55% off the price. Imagine that you have to pay 15,500 if it is not sale, but you can save as much as 8,525 when you avail the sale. Okay, now it is your turn to solve. Please write your answer in the comment section. And the question is, 15% of 300 is what? Again, 15% of 300 is what? I'll be waiting for your answer. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!